Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve web security with Norton step by step clearly. To improve web security with Norton, start by visiting the official Norton website. Download the Norton security software that suits your needs. Follow the installation prompts to set up the software on your device. Once installed, open the Norton application. Sign in to your Norton account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. After signing in, navigate to the Security tab on the main dashboard. Enable the firewall settings to protect against unauthorized access. Activate the VPN feature to secure your internet connection. Scan your device for viruses and malware by clicking on the Scan option. Review the scan results and follow the instructions to remove any threats found. Set up automatic updates to ensure the software is always current. Access the privacy settings to manage your online identity. Utilize the Password Manager feature to create and save strong passwords. Enable Safe Web to block unsafe websites during your browsing sessions. Configure parental controls if you need to protect younger users. Regularly review security reports and alerts for any unusual activity. Familiarize yourself with the support options available should you encounter issues. By following these steps, you can enhance your web security with Norton effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.